am I supposed to do? I'm in a plane, right? Is it fancy ass? Am I in a plane? Or is this a train? It's hard to click. Open up! Turn back if there's anomaly. Anomaly? It's a Swedish guy. So cute. Oh, that's me. Turn back if there's an anomaly. That's what it was, yeah? That's what I'm supposed to do. Headed to Tokyo. No anomaly in this area. Okay, it doesn't seem too hard. I know what to do. I need to turn back if there's an anomaly. That's bad. I gotta go back. He wasn't there before, was he? Yeah. Did I succeed? Or is it normal? Was he supposed to be there, that kid?
こんにちは。何してるの？また会ったね。
Is it loud? Too loud, guys?
お兄さんもゲームをしに来たの？僕めっちゃ楽しみ。お姉ちゃんがお暇なんだ。いくら待っても。僕待っても起きないんだもん。でもお兄さんがゲームしてくれるから。もう大丈夫。ゲームのルールは知ってる？
You know what the rules of the game? Do you know the rules of the game? No! No, no, no.
ルールはとっても簡単だよ。変わったことがあったら戻る。簡単でしょ？ゲームを終わらせる方法、それは0号車まで行ってその先の運転室でブレーキ。トイレの車両は変わったことは起こらない。もう一回説明。よかった。じゃあ後でまた会おう。
Oh, okay, easy. So we are in number 7, we need to go to 0. If there's something weird, we gotta go back. And there's nothing in the restroom. Number 7. So what is an anomaly? Just like spot the difference kind of thing. So the suitcase is up there. No kid. No anomaly in this area. Okay, I'm doing good. No anomaly in this area. We're still in number 7. What? I don't understand. 6. Oh! Number 6? Okay, so what was the anomaly then? I don't understand. There was an anomaly. This is number 6 now. Number 6 is good. Now we're back at 7. Now we're back at 7 again? I don't understand. What is the anomaly, guys? Give me very small detail, pay attention to everything. So like, the smoking sign on this thing can be gone and that's an anomaly? How's this a horror game? Who's pissing? Oh, that's an anomaly. Right? Okay. What the fuck? I'm gonna drown. Yeah, nice man. Okay, we're good. Number 6. Ah, I see. Okay, that was not a very small anomaly. That was a really big one. When I open the door, it's locked in. Do I need to wait for something to happen? There are also sound anomalies. I don't know, this game sucks. I don't know about you. I'm in number 5. Number 5 is good. I'm just gonna gamba. I will say that there is an anomaly in this one. Fuck! You Eblan. I will just gamba until number 0. It should be easy. Okay, number 6. This guy's still sleeping. His haircut looking a little greasy. Suitcase is still on top of there. The woman is still here. This game sucks. Oh, this seems like something is going on. As I think we're going through a tunnel. Okay, easy, no problem. Okay, I think something is suspicious in this one, guys. Okay, we're good. This is easy. Number 5. Yes, sir. We are at number 5. Right, this guy's haircut still sucks. So, what was with the door, guys? Eyes on the door. Not anymore, I guess. Reflection. Nothing in the reflection. Hey! Oh, hell no. Okay. Number 4. I mean, this is obvious. This is not. This must be right. What? Do we go back? This is different than, or is this normal? This is way too obvious. Moving forward. Yeah, this is how it should be, I think. Wife. They just make it harder. They place a bunch of different items. Oh my god. God damn. Mersukumer. Mersukumer. The game's pretty good all of a sudden. Not so sure why. I'm just gonna guess nothing changed here. I mean, a lot of things changed, but I'm just moving forward, right? What do you mean? I thought it was supposed to be that way. Can I kill this man? Nothing changed. It was way too obvious. Too much things changed. Oh, number 6. Easy clap. Oh, I think there's a couple things a little strange over there. I think we're good. But how is this a horror game? Guys, it's like psychological cancer. Atmospheric horror. Like a backroom kind of game. Oh. Okay. Alright, number 4, baby. Here we go. Number 4. Oh, okay, so I thought at number 4 it just appeared all these like anime books and hentai. Nothing changed here, I believe. Looking pretty normal so far. This wasn't there before, was there? Eyes. Oh shit. I saw that. Yeah, I saw it, of course. Where's the Cyclops? Okay. We're climbing. Almost win. Nothing changed here, I think. Yeah, looking good. Number 2. Number 2, baby. I swear this guy This fucking guy. I think it looks good. I think I can go forward. Oh, what's this lighting? It became dark. Is that normal? Or is that just like lighting bug? Okay. Oh no. No, I'm going back. I don't know if that worked. Oh shit! Number 1. Holy fuck. So that was it. The lighting on the chairs was different. I'm almost beating the game. Shinkansen 0 heading to Tokyo. Stop helping, look at the text. This text is the same. It's all the same. No, it's not. Shut up. Look text. What do you mean look text? This is Shinkansen 0. This is Shinkansen 0 headed to Tokyo. There is no anomaly in the— oh! I don't trust this. Wait. There is no anomaly. So, but this is different. It's trolling me. It's different because there isn't. I'm going back. I go back. It's 100%. 100%. It's different. They're trying to troll me. Oh my god. Yeah, nice troll, man. Nice tool. 0. I'm almost there. Five otags, guys. 5 otags for a win. Are the lights different? Were the lights always shaking like that? Am I crazy? The lights always like this, guys. Fly. Headed to Tokyo. I don't see anything different here. I do not see anything different, guys. I think... Yeah, otags. More otag. More otag, please. I think I can go forward. I think I can go forward, guys. Wait a minute. Was this always there? The 3 dots that are upside down? Guys? I think this sign is different. I think it's different. Oh. Sometimes your house fall into river. No, please. Oh, conductor's room. I did it. Oh, wait, what? Oh no, the dots were always like that.
本日は新幹線をご利用いただき誠にありがとうございます。ただいま当列車におきまして線路上での接触事故がありましたので安全確認のためしばらく停車いたします。
Guys, am I
運
supposed to
転
go
再
in
開にお
here?
きましては現在見通しが立っておりません。
I don't
本日
trust
は
it.
お急ぎのところ誠にご迷惑をおかけいたします。Attention please. We have stopped momentary due to an injury. There is no plan for the train to stop at this moment. Please excuse the delay.
I don't want to go in here, guys. I don't trust it. This is good. Did I win? Clear blue car. Oh, okay, I win. Flashbang. I got an achievement, guys. Clear blue car. Loading. Now, is this a green car now? Oh, hello. I usually don't talk to children in the toilet.
お兄さんすごいね。成功したんだね。
Proud. Fucking hell, dude. Thank you, Nolan, for the otag.
キョロキョロしてどうしたの？もしかしてここが運転室に
You
なっ
thought
てる
this was the conductor's
冗
room?
談はよして
Only
よ。
halfway there.
新幹線にはグリーン車があるんだよ。
Fucking bastard.
お兄さんなら知ってるよね。それはね、グリーン車だ。僕が0号車の次って言ったって。
You should know that.
0号車っていうのはグリーン車の0号車のことだよ。
Go for the green cars to get to the conductor's room.
まあ確かに。それはそう。変わったことがあったらなかったら戻るんだよ。
When you find an anomaly, go forward instead of walking back.
3回間違えると僕はお兄さんを応援してるよ。
You make 3 mistakes, the ghost will get you. The ghost.
ねえ、お兄さん。なんで僕たちなんか変だなって思わない？いや、
Never mind.
とりあえずゲームを
Let's
終
just
わら
clear
せ
the
ちゃ
game
あまたね。
first. See you at car 0. Okay. Oh boy. Okay, I mean, this is the first time that I see the car, so I'm not so sure how it's supposed to look. Is this normal? Yeah, this looks normal to me, you know. It's stupid. What the fuck? I think the eyes, they're pretty suspicious, guys. That seems like an anomaly to me. I'm not gonna lie. This man is not trying to get the suitcase. What the fuck? Oh hell nah. Poor guy, he got the Versus Kaskbreker cut. Kaskbreker Gragas cut. Turn back if no anomaly. There was an anomaly, I think. The eye. The eye looked suspicious to me. Hello. Are you supposed to be here? Are we in the sky? Is this an airplane now? That looks like an anomaly. Oh, I think something's going on, guys. I think maybe I'm supposed to go forward. Turn back if no anomaly. Oh shit, I was supposed to go back. Oh my god. Wait, what? Green is go, red is stop. No way. Squid Game. So if there's an anomaly, it means forward, right? This is definitely an anomaly. Squid Game. What the fuck? Oh. Okay. This is good. What the fuck? Okay, number 5. Turn back if there are no anomalies. Do you have green eyes still? Do you have green eyes? Oh, okay, this person always has green eyes. Okay. Where's the anime titties? There was a couple earlier. Headed to Tokyo. Almost shit myself, man. There are no anomalies in this one, I fear.
Anywhere you go.
Hold up.
Get Wi-Fi anywhere you go. Holy shit. Wait, was she here? I guess so. I think she was here. Fill 3 times, ghost get you. I have not failed a single time. Can the food be different? The food looks good to me. Okay. There is no anomaly, so we go back. Oh! Okay, I'm smurfing. I am smurfing it. Headed to Tokyo. Okay, still nothing on there. Lady on the laptop. Where are we at? What are you watching? You're typing. There's nothing. The food. Oh, it's getting dark, but I think it's always dark in there. Food is the same to me. Right? Looks the same. Oh. Okay. Gotta go forward then. Number 3. It's as easy as that. Oh, okay. Beautiful. Oh, what are you doing here? Hello.
ねえ、お兄さん。僕たち生きて帰れると思う？
Think about your sister. Their sister.
ねえ、
Oh.
僕た
Wait, what? He's just quiet. Amazing. Okay. Well, gotta go forward. Quite a simple game. Number 2. Looking normal. Looking as weird as always. Anything up with your food? Nope, your food is the same. Still got a bump. This guy still got the bald spot. Looks like there's no anomalies in this one so far. What are we thinking, guys? No anomalies, so we gotta go backwards, I believe. Wait. Was this always like that? The light? That looks strange. No, I gotta go backwards. Backwards means no anomaly. She's looking a little strange. Okay, we go. I hope I made the right choice. I don't wanna... Okay, we're good. Easy clap. Okay, what about the laptop lady? You don't want to see the ghost. I pull out the beast. Food still looks the same. What about her face? I've never seen her shadow. Is Shinkansen 0 Hero? Yeah, there's a Tokyo. Okay. You have free Wi-Fi anywhere you go. You're the same. Beautiful. Are you the same? Was he always like this? I think so. Yeah. He's fatter. Yeah, is he fatter? Is he? I was thinking that too. I didn't look like I didn't look how fat he was before. I think he's fatter. That means I gotta go forward if that's the case. Please tell me that was correct. Okay, I guess he was fatter. Maybe. Let's confirm it. Maybe it was something else. No, he just looks the same. It was something else. I think I just lucked out. Fucking freak. I don't see anything. Wait, there is one more hot dog. Hot dog? No. I don't think there's anything wrong, guys. I gotta go back. Cola. Hot dog. Hot dog, hot dog, hot dog. Relax with the hot dog. Okay, I am confident that there is nothing different in this one, so I think I gotta go backwards. Oh my god. Smurfing. Conductor's room. Should I take that? I feel like that's a trick. I don't like it. This is different. This is a different sign. Does this mean I have to go forward, right? Maybe. Yes. Okay, well, I'm going to the conductor's room. Okay, I think we're good. Bing, bing, bing. Oh. Okay. Holy shit, first try. First try green car. I didn't even see the ghost. Did not even see the ghost. Okay, what now? We stopped? It's a little bright outside. Ending 1. Wait, I beat the game? I beat the game? This shit was easy. A nice horror game.